Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for brass players, the Blue Juice 2 Fluid Oz. Trumpet Valve Oil. If you're looking for the best tuba valve oil, you've come to the right place. This product promises to enhance your instrument's performance and longevity, and I'm excited to share why it stands out. Let's start with the basics. The Blue Juice Valve Oil is packaged in a compact 2-ounce bottle, designed for easy storage in any brass case. This is particularly important for musicians on the go, whether you're heading to band practice or a marching performance. Its size means it's convenient to carry, ensuring that you always have it on hand when your instrument needs a little love. This valve oil is known for its excellent lubricating properties. Made with polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE, it creates a smooth barrier that helps keep your valves operating flawlessly. Regular use of high-quality valve oil can prevent sticking and sluggishness in the valves, which is essential for maintaining a responsive playing experience. Trust me, you want your valves to feel as smooth as possible when you're in the middle of a performance. Now, why is Blue Juice considered the best tuba valve oil? It's not just for trumpets. This versatile oil can be used on various brass instruments, including tubas. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this oil caters to all skill levels, making it an ideal choice for music educators looking to recommend a reliable product to their students. Applying the oil is straightforward. Simply use a few drops on each valve and work it through the mechanism by pressing the valve down several times. This ensures the oil is evenly distributed, allowing for optimal performance. What really sets Blue Juice apart is its reliability. It's been favored by many musicians. The formulation is crafted to last, meaning you won't find yourself needing to oil your valves too frequently, which can be a common issue with lesser products. In conclusion, if you want the best tuba valve oil that guarantees smooth operation and enhances your instrument's lifespan, Blue Juice is the way to go. With its easy application and proven performance, it's no wonder so many brass players trust it. Make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your own bottle. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and critiques. Happy playing!